the channel. This is Chris from Offroad Nation 606. So today we're going to move the factory roof rack off the Cherokee, and this is going to be the same for the 84 through 2001 Jeep Cherokees. So it's very easy to do. You got 6 bolts on each rail, and you're going to need a T25 Torx bit. So if your Jeep has a lot of rust on it, I'd recommend going ahead and spraying these bolts a few days before. But my Jeep's pretty good shape, so hopefully they will come out. So the bolts will be located in each one of these holes. If you need to move the rails over any, all you have to do is push the tab in and it'll be ready to slide. So after you get all the bolts out, you should be able to pry up on it. Then you'll be able to lift it off there. Okay, so the roof rack is now removed. So if you don't plan on putting your roof rack back on, you may want to get something to cover these holes up. Might want to get some kind of silicone or some kind of spot putty just to seal that up. Or you could even put some kind of sealant and thread the Torx bolt back in it. So I am going to get something to seal those off with, because I'm not going to put the roof rack back on. And the reason being is I plan on getting a roll cage to put on, and I won't be needing that factory roof rack anymore because there'll be a whole cage on the top section. I just wanted to make a little video explaining how to remove the factory roof rack. So I hope you liked the video. If this video helped, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.